Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. We are going to solve the puzzle. If 1 plus 2 is 7, 2 plus 2 is 12, 3 plus 2 is 17, then 4 plus 2 is what? So let's start with today's video solution. If you are new to my channel, please subscribe it, and if you have different logic, please comment down below. So 1 plus 2, 7, how? So if I multiply with 5 in the first digit and add the second digit. So 5 multiply 1 plus 2. 5 multiply 1 is 5 plus 2 is 7. Then 5 multiply 2 plus 2. 5 multiply 2 is 10 plus 2 is 12. Now 5 multiply 3 plus 2. 5 multiply 3 is 15 plus 2, 17. Now 5 multiply 4 plus 2. 5 multiply 4 is 20 plus 2 is 22. So what replaces the question mark? 22. I hope it's clear and you find it useful. So please give us a thumbs up and do subscribe to my channel. Stay tuned for more upcoming videos.